In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save conversation as PNG in ChatGPT. By the end, you'll know exactly how to turn any chat into a neatly packaged image you can download and share using a simple prompt and a couple of helpful tweaks. Start by opening the specific conversation you want to capture. Make sure you're in the exact thread, because the PNG will reflect what's in that conversation at the moment you make the request. If you've got multiple chats going, double-check that you're in the right one so you don't end up saving the wrong discussion. Once you're in the correct conversation, type a straightforward instruction like, "Save this conversation as PNG." Keep it simple and direct. You don't need special formatting or code. Plain language is enough. After you send the prompt, give it a moment. The system will prepare the image for you and then present a downloadable file. You'll typically see a clear download option appear in the response. Click to save it to your device, just like you would with any other file. If you're on mobile, tap the download button and choose where you want to store it. If your browser asks for permission to save files, confirm that, and you're good to go. If you have specific preferences, you can include them right in your prompt. This is where you can make the PNG fit your exact needs. For example, you can ask to include only the most recent part of the conversation, such as the last 10 exchanges. You can request a title at the top, include a date, or keep only the assistant's answers. You can also ask for a light or dark background to match your presentation style, or specify that code blocks and links are preserved clearly. If readability matters, mention that you prefer a larger font or a wider layout. If privacy is important, you can ask to omit or blur any sensitive sections before the image is generated. The key is to place those conditions directly into the same prompt where you ask to save as a PNG. That's really all there is to it. Open the conversation you want, prompt with "Save this conversation as PNG," and, if needed, add any conditions in the same message to fine-tune the result. Let it generate, download the file, and you're done. If the first version isn't exactly what you had in mind, adjust your prompt with clearer conditions and try again. With just that simple approach, you'll have a clean, shareable image of your chat whenever you need it.